Certainly. Here's a short story to help you learn English. Title: The Adventure of Emily and the Magical Key. Once upon a time, in a small picturesque village, there lived a curious young girl named Emily. Emily had a strong desire to explore the world beyond her village, but she didn't know where to start. One sunny morning, while she was out for a walk in the nearby forest, she stumbled upon a glimmering object half buried in the ground. It was a golden key unlike any she had ever seen before. With excitement bubbling in her heart, Emily picked up the key and examined it closely. It was engraved with intricate patterns and symbols. Little did she know that this key held a magical secret. As she held it in her hand, the key began to glow, and a mysterious voice echoed in her head. "Emily, this key is the gateway to extraordinary adventures. It can unlock hidden worlds and teach you many things. But to use its magic, you must learn English, the language of exploration, and that this key held a magical secret." As she held it in her hand, the key began to glow, and a mysterious voice echoed in her head. "Emily, this key is the gateway to extraordinary adventures. It can unlock hidden worlds and teach you many things. But to use its magic, you must learn English, the language of exploration, and it was time to use the key's magic. With the golden key in her hand, Emily turned it in the lock of an old dusty book in her library. The moment the lock clicked open, she was transported to a magnificent library in a far-off land. She marveled at the vast collection of books written in English and other languages from around the world. Over time, Emily visited many enchanted places, met people from different cultures, and learned new things. Her English skills became a bridge to connect with people from all walks of life. She made friends, solved mysteries, and had countless adventures. Emily's life was forever changed by her thirst for knowledge and the magical key that had unlocked her potential. Through her journey, she discovered that learning a language was not just about words and grammar. It was about opening doors to new experiences and understanding the world in a whole new way. And so, Emily continued to explore, armed with her newfound language skills and an unquenchable curiosity. With each adventure, she grew wiser, more compassionate, and more grateful for the magical key that had started it all.